How to fix the login errors on the Possible application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are having troubles on login on the Possible app, here are the fixes that you can try. First and foremost, you have to ensure your internet is functioning properly. You can also try switching between the mobile data and the Wi-Fi connection. In case of iPhone users, you can go to settings and then on the iPhone storage, locate the Possible app and offload the app. For Android user, long press the Possible application and then go to app info. After that, head over to storage and cache and clear the cache. Do the same with the permissions and ensure all the permissions are given as well. Now that this is done, you have to update the app to the latest version. Likewise, also make sure to verify the login credentials. Ensure your email and password correctly, and if you have forgotten your credentials, you can tap on forgot password, enter your phone number and follow the steps to reset your password. After this, you should be successfully logged in. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.